In case you're not still convinced why you should use retargeting, let me give you a couple of reasons why you need to seriously consider using retargeting in your business. Well, the first biggest reason is that it guarantees a bigger sales opportunity for your business. According to a research, when customers visit your website, about 98% of them leave your website without buying anything. Think about it, it's a huge number. But because retargeting lets you reach all those 98% of visitors who left your website without buying anything, you can generate a bigger sales opportunity. Say you capture 4% of the visitors who left your website. That's 200% increase in your overall sales. And that's how powerful retargeting can be. Second reason why you need to use retargeting is because it's more cost effective. If you compare your target audience against typical advertising audience, with retargeting, you can precisely target those people who are interested in your product. Because we know the majority of the people visiting your website are interested in learning more about your product and services in some ways. And that's why the retargeting efforts can be more cost effective compared to typical advertising efforts, including TV, billboard, or any kind of traditional marketing efforts. If you can target specific audience that are more interested in buying your product, there's no question that your advertising campaigns will be more effective. And because retargeting does just that, it's much more cost effective in a lot of ways. And the third reason why you should use retargeting is because it generates higher return on investment. On average, retargeting generates about 3 to 5% higher click-through rates and conversion rates, which means retargeting is good at bringing more people to your website and turning more people to buy your products on the website. Isn't that amazing? That's why you need to seriously consider using retargeting today, whether you're an entrepreneur or professional marketer. So, what do you think? Are you ready to learn how to run your retargeting ad finally? Well, from the next video, we're gonna learn how to plan out your retargeting campaigns so that you can guarantee successful execution and the steps that you need to take to come up with a solid strategy before actually setting up those campaigns. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.